Hi, this is your project about the overview of our language. So mainly focus on our data. So this is your probability and statisticals. You are asking R language. So you are asking question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 3. So mainly you are asking R code. So whatever means nominal and R square and everything is you are asking. So what you are asking step by step process is execution in front of you. So please check it here. So this is your project. So first we are asking question number 1, collect the data set within a list 5 variables in which one. So we have to take in this variable. So we have to execution this thing. So in front of you I'm executing. So this is our project. How can you identify this? You can get the symbol R project. So it is not a anything. It is the R project. Or you can go on installation R project like R Studio. Okay. So this one. So it is better and conventional and everything conventional for practice and everything is it is easy. So we can easily identify step by step process. So if you want you can use it this one also. Okay, just 1 minute. It is in loading the packages. Just 1 minute. Please hold on. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So this is R studio also. So this is also same. So it is easily I can identify discuss the data. So in front of you I'm executing step by step process. So check it here. Okay, so there is no error. This also if you want like a level you can go and check it. Okay, so everything is working and fine. The project is good about related of terms and conditions, step by step questions. So nominal and nominal. So like I think ask yes, nominal yes, ordinal and discrete continuous everything. So this is the data. So you are asking some graphs and the scatter plot. I think you are asking where is scatter. Yes, scatter plot. Here also you are asking scatter plot. So everything is completed. So please check it if you want. I will show one by one, or I can easily directly showing this thing. So you can easily find it. Okay. So first A. Okay. Next B, C. So some of the packages directly I am executing. Okay, don't worry, every file is working. Okay, this is a project about your project. So okay, check it here. So if you get any error, please contact me. I am sending the project. So okay, don't worry. Question number 2 from question 1 is depend upon the variables, dependent variables. So yes, so variables we can change anything, not only the not a matter of big things. So problem, so we can change anything like apple, bat, cat, whatever it may be, we can use. After that we can convert any model. Okay, so that is the main advantage of project. So you can get the scatter plot, line plot, and bar chart, pie chart. Okay, don't worry. So this is the overview of your project. So if you want any doubts about in this project, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise go and search in Google. Okay, so everything is working and fine, and separate very thing. Okay, don't worry. Without the libraries we can't get that single piece of information data. Please try to understand what I am saying. If you remove these libraries you can't get the single piece of data. I am promised to you. Please don't change anything. So if you want any add information you can add it. But in my knowledge I put it everything. Okay, everything is running. Okay, without running you can't get the output, right? So that is I easily identify the data. So it is not possible to run in all. So we will face some errors. Why means we have to execute starting to ending. So already I executed in the starting page. So everything is working, every problem is completed. Okay, if you want I'm in front of you, download the project easily. Okay, you want or but I saw you are mainly asking the word document and PDF document. So that's why I converted and send it to. Okay, you don't worry. Okay, word document and PDF. Okay, everything is completed. So already I sent to my ma'am, so please contact to my ma'am. Already I sent the word document on PDF. Okay, if you want to convert it anything, okay, don't worry. I am sending the markdown, and also markdown, mostly we can use the markdown on our language. Okay, so some colleges are the main requirement, so IPNY whatever it may be, if you want you can take it. Okay, so I'm downloading this project. Okay, don't worry, I'm sending to my ma'am will be sent to you. Okay, thank you. I hope your project is very good and explanation and clearly step by step mention. It is good identify anyone, so we develop that thing. Okay, quantitative variables and the source of data, variable types, nominal, ordinal, this type, continuous, square, everything is completed. Okay, go and check it. Okay, thank you so much. So this is the data about explanation how the data is working in this thing. Okay, if you don't need, just remove it. Okay, thank you so much. So here you have to observe one thing: you are not providing any data. Okay, database. So directly I am importing packages. Okay, third party packages. Okay, thank you so much.